Hi everyone, welcome to Hunters Connect. I'm Dale, and today we're going to be talking about picking the right hunting knife for you. Now we've all seen the movies where the main character is carrying a knife with a blade at least a foot long. While it might look cool, it's far from practical. Hunting knives are important utensils. A quality knife will perform many valuable tasks when you're out hunting and will last many years if properly cared for. In this video, I will go over the pros and cons of a few different types of hunting knives: a fixed blade, a folding knife, and an exchangeable blade. Now let's get started with a fixed blade knife. The fixed blade knife is stronger because blade material runs through the handle, which makes it good for heavy duty work. With no moving parts, it's more durable and reliable and much easier to clean than a folding knife. But with a fixed blade knife, it must be carried in a sheath, which makes it bulkier when transporting in the field. Now on to a folding blade knife. A folding blade knife has a pivot point that allows for the blade to fold closed into the handle of itself. This helps it to be a smaller size, allowing for convenient carrying in your pocket or pack when not in use. In turn, it makes it safer during transport. Now they can be tougher to clean because of the latch and mechanism collecting blood and tissue, but the folding knife can be a good choice for the hunter that also wants an everyday knife to carry. Finally, there's an exchange blade system knife. A knife with an exchangeable blade helps to eliminate the need to ever sharpen a knife in the field. They come with pre-sharpened blades that detach and attach to the main body of the knife. Whenever your blade gets dull, pop it off and replace it with a new one. Another advantage is oftentimes they are much more lightweight than the fixed blade or folding knife. The only downside are the blades usually aren't as durable as, say, a fixed blade is. As well as you'll always need to be sure to carry extra blades while you're out in the field. Choosing the correct hunting knife has more to do with personal preference than anything else. But by incorporating the information I mentioned earlier in your decision-making process, you can be much more certain the knife you decide on is the very best hunting knife for you. Thanks for watching Hunters Connect. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel below for more videos like this in the future.